Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that Fetch AI needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, share out areas of resistances that we also need to break above, and also give you pullback target areas that we need to keep our eyes on. And at the time of this recording, Fetch AI is still holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. And the next key area of resistance that we need to see a break above lies at around the $0.45 mark, and a break above that we can easily see Fetch AI get above the $0.5 mark. We are also holding above support at around the $0.39 mark, and as long as that continues to hold, I'm still expecting higher prices. But the moment we lose the $0.39 mark, there are chances that we can continue expecting further breakdown into the areas at around the $0.33 mark. Fetch AI has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and zooming out, you can see that after getting our low on the 17th of August, we saw this massive push giving us a high above the $0.27 mark, completing the formation of this Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum pullback target area for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. We fully maximized the area, and then we saw a reaction to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, giving us a high in the formation of this wave 3 above the $0.41 mark. Then we saw a pullback in the formation of this wave 4, and then finally we have seen this last push to the upper side, giving us a high above the $0.485 mark in the formation of this wave 5, which is an area that I gave you yesterday using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the wave 3. And I said to you that the minimum target area for the fifth wave lies at around the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $0.4616 mark, which is an area that we fully maximized. And now there are high chances that we have now picked in a 5-wave structure to the upper side, completing the formation of this Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And in the next coming hours, in case we continue seeing a bit of a pullback, then that will be okay, because then that will be suggesting that we are now seeing a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And once the low for the second wave is in, we can expect another explosive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.3634 mark and the $0.2871 mark. And the moment we see a pullback into this red target area, then I think this will be a perfect entry to buy back for my spot account. And this is not financial advice, because there are chances that as long as you continue holding within that red target area, we can easily see another bounce to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. We also need to have a worst case scenario in case we see a pullback into the area and maybe we continue heading further down. In case such a movement plays out, then we can expect the next key area of support to continue holding, and that key area of support lies at around the $0.2541 mark. So that is what we need to have in mind on the worst case scenario, and that is the next price action that I'm watching out here on the Fetch AI chart in the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.